Hey y'all, it's Dave R from Coder. I'm going to show you how to connect to your Coder workspace using your Cursor IDE. So grab your favorite beverage and let's turn your local editor into a gateway to your cloud dev environment. Before I get connected, let's take a look at the Coder template configuration. The template I am using deploys a workspace using a Kubernetes pod. In the source code, we can see an IDE Terraform config file. Any workspaces provisioned from this template will install the Cursor IDE by default. And of course, we can support all IDEs that support SSH remote connections. Now, I have a workspace already provisioned, and when I click into that workspace, I can see the list of available desktop IDEs that this workspace supports. Now, I could launch my Cursor desktop directly from the dashboard, but since I have the Coder extension installed in Cursor, I'll connect directly from the IDE. In the lower left-hand corner, there's a remote window icon. When I click on that icon, I see an option to connect to a workspace using the Coder extension. The extension will list all available workspaces based on my user ID. I'll go ahead and connect to the workspace. And now I can begin working on my code. I can also open a terminal window directly into the workspace. And that's it. With our Coder extension, it's easy to connect your Cursor IDE with your cloud development environment. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching.